So, a very good morning to all of you, and thank you all के आज festival season hunde festival day hunde we still you are here. At least some of you are still here. The main motive of having this class today was कि we have changed our pattern from offline to online. So at least to see the feasibility and at least to guide you to some extent कि कितना अपन ਨੂੰ एटलीस्ट पता होनी चाहिए है कि how the outlook of our classes will be. We should be aware of that, है ना? To start with, uh, till now you must be aware that we will be having online classes on Google Meet, and I'm happy to know that you all are very much aware of Google Meet thanks to the practicals which we have conducted lately. So it will be easy for us कि we can easily have our online classes on Google Meet. है ना? Still starting with, I just want to brief you about how the class will start, and that will be for all other subjects. It will be common for all other subjects. So, to start with, if you have seen your timetable, there will be not more than 2 theories every day and practical. है ना? For theories, we were assigned 1 hour. For that 1 hour before starting of a class, for example, today we are having a class at 10, we must log in till 10:05, not later than that. क्योंकि otherwise बार बार window pop up होएगी and I have to accept people into the class, and that will disturb the class and everybody else too. So, the first thing which you will keep in mind for attending an online class is that you will try to log in till 10:05 for the 10 a.m. class and 11:05 for your 11 a.m. class. The next thing is, Rajat, as soon as you enter the class, just type your name and roll number in the chat box, because that will help me to and other teachers too to know who are the students who have attended that class. I मैं ज़रूर instructions, I will keep it in Hindi. I'm giving you the instructions again and again. मैं आपको दे रही हूँ instructions, but I know that for online classes, there are issues of internet connectivity and all. We all will keep this thing in minds very clear that sometimes some people might not be able to attend the class because of internet connectivity. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको क्लास 100% अटेंड करनी पड़ेगी, बट आई विल सजेस्ट कि हाँ, अगर आप क्लास अटेंड कर लो तो दैट विल better, because I will try to include some components of interaction with you too. Drawback मेरे लिए and other teachers के लिए हो सकता है they might have taught you earlier, but for me is that you all are so new to me. I don't know your names, I don't know your faces. So I will try ke I will interact more with you in this online class to know at least your names, ताकि मैं familiar हो सकूं आपसे for the better communication between both of us. The second thing which I want to include here for GMeet is, while you are attending a class, until you are asked to switch on your microphone, please don't do that. क्योंकि वी हैव अ बिग स्ट्रेंथ हेयर, 90+ स्टूडेंट्स है बच्चे, फिर वो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा मैनेज करना, बार बार एक बच्चे को पॉइंट आउट करना कि आप प्लीज़ माइक्रोफोन ऑफ कर दीजिए. ट्राई टू ऑफ स्विच ऑफ योर कैमरा टू. वो इजी कर देता है थोड़ी लोडिंग करनी. एंड फर्दर इफ आई प्लान टू पुट दिस लेक्चर ऑनलाइन टू यूट्यूब पे भी अगर मैं प्लान करती हूँ तो दैट विल ऑल्सो मेक माई वीडियो बेटर, make my video lighter so that I can easily upload it on some platform too. ठीक है. Third thing which I want you to keep in mind, I know most of you are viewing this class and you will be attending your classes on your phones. So phone पे कई बार गलती से भी आपसे दब जाता है present now का बटन. प्लीज़ डोंट प्रेजेंट एनीथिंग इन द क्लास, क्योंकि अगर आप प्रेजेंट करोगे तो जो प्रेजेंटेशन मेरी चल रही होगी, जो डिस्कशन मेरी चल रही होगी, दैट विल गेट ब्लॉक्ड. प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट टू. सो I am sure I can ask this much from you to start with. With time, we are also learning, and I'm very confident कि आजकल की जनरेशन तो हमसे ज़्यादा अवेयर है, हमसे ज़्यादा उनको एप्स पता होती हैं, हमसे हमसे ज़्यादा उनको वे आउट्स पता होते हैं कि नहीं मैम ऐसे कर लेंगे तो बेटर होगा, ऐसे कर लेंगे तो बेटर होगा. आई विश टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम यू ड्यूरिंग दिस न्यू platform which we are exploring to keep our classes going. बच्चे, we are working very hard to get your semester started on time. हम लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की है अपने एंड पे जितना हम कर सकते थे to find out newer ways in which we can make this online learning a better learning platform for you. Yes, I'm missing my physical classes, you are also missing your classes, but still we can explore the newer things. अगर लॉकडाउन होता ही नहीं तो we would never have thought of finding what Google Meet is, what other platforms which we will be learning, what all these things are. So we should always think कि yes, in adverse situations we are asked and we are forced to learn newer things, and that is I think only blessing in this very challenging times which we can think of, if I'm talking about the perspective of having an online class. Next thing, for Google Meet, was if to revise as soon as you log in, just type your name and roll number, and if possible, type your group 2 in the chat box, because that will make easier for me to locate you. Second, don't switch on your microphone. Try to switch off your video and never present anything until I ask you to do something. For the online classes, specifically speaking about my subject, syllabus आप easily download कर सकते हैं PTU की website से. If you face any problem in having your syllabus, I can forward that too. For Google Meet, if I'm specifically talking about it, for Google Meet, I have planned कि I will summarize, as we are assigned only 2 classes in a week and we have to complete our syllabus. I have planned कि I will be sharing the content of the class beforehand. For example, if I am having a class on Friday, you will definitely have your lectures till Thursday. You can go through it once, and I will quickly revise everything here on the Friday class. This will help us in first completing the syllabus, second, better understanding of the topic if you already know something about it. So as you are aware, most of you have logged into my website too. I will be sharing everything related to the subject, related to your course, in the form of videos, presentations, everything on the Moodle account. You can go through it. Hardly 15-20 मिनट का वीडियो होगी, अगर मैक्सिमम होगी. You can have one look to it, so that you will come to my class well prepared and we can have a better interactive class. Why I'm planning to do this is I want to take more and more queries in my online class instead of just teaching you a newer topic in this class. this is what I have planned. If you have any suggestion today or afterwards, just use that chat box. Don't type irrelevant messages in the chat box. एक बार roll number पाता, it is enough. After that, good morning, good afternoon, एक कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just type your if you have any query, if you have any suggestion, just type on that chat box. At the end of my class, every day, whenever I have my class, I will take up those queries, and we can have answers to your queries in the class in the class itself. To start with, at least I want I should be aware of you all. So in every class, I will randomly pick 1 2 students who will be my coordinator, who will be my moderator for that day. I will give them a work कि अगर during my presentation, I will give them that authority कि during that presentation, if something went wrong, like you are not hearing me, you are not viewing my screen anytime, they can switch on their mic and they can let me know. In this way, I can learn 1 2 people in every class, and that will be good for me, I think. And I really request सिंसियरली, बहुत सिंसियरली मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ, क्लास में हो सकता है हम इतना बेटर इंटरेक्ट ना करते हों, इतना बेटर हम टीचर से क्वेश्चन ना पूछते हों. प्लीज़ इंटरेक्ट हियर, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नॉट ओनली फॉर मी टू नो यू, बट फॉर you to have interest in the course. Why I have taken so much pain to design a website for you, to have you all on a different platform is, रजे, when we have an online class ना, जिसमें क्या होता है कि एक सोर्स होता है, बंदा वो बोलता रहता है, and we just keep on listening them, वो बड़ा ही मोनोटमस हो जाता है. आफ्टर सम टाइम वी हैव दैट कैपेसिटी कि हाँ जी, ये फ़ोन को साइड में रख दो, साइलेंट कर दो, एंड जस्ट डू योर वर्क. अटेंडेंस मेरी लग गई, सब कुछ मेरा हो गया. आई नो most, some of you might do this thing too. ये ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है, आई नो. ये दीज आर द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. मतलब इसको, ये हमें ऑलरेडी, इफ आई एम टेकिंग अ क्लास, आई एम अवेयर दैट सम पीपल विल डू दैट, है ना. सो to avoid that, I will try my level best to incorporate elements into my class, into my course content delivery. I can easily share all your content on the WhatsApp group. Some might have wondered why ma'am ne inna स्यापा लिता कि create a website and do something on that. Ma'am has done that for you just to keep you motivated during the course delivery, during the course structure, that you keep on doing something with me, along with me, and I can find out कि yes, you are doing something, you are following me, you are enjoying the lecture, and you are doing something. Okay, so you might not have fully understood why I have done all that, but I will show you in brief today how that interface will look with me and with you, and how we can be benefited with that too. Okay, so this is for Google Meet. Now shifting our focus on the second platform which we will be using, that is our website. Most of you have enrolled into the course. If somebody has faced any problem, let me know in the WhatsApp group. I'm there to help you at any point, at any junction. I'm there to help you. So if you have not created your account, just log in into it. If you have created, I'm logging into the account as a demo, as a student, so as to make you aware कि how the profile will look, and how and what thing will you find at what place. I have created this website on Moodle, and you will find irrelevant ads on this particular platform here at this particular tab. So just ignore this tab and move forward. So once you log in, what I want to show you here is you find that you have two different um, sections here. On the left hand side, there is one platform where different tabs are appearing: home, dashboard, calendar, then private files, then my courses. My courses will appear only if you have enrolled into the course called PP1, which is our physical pharmaceutics one. So under home, you will find various courses which are available. In the dashboard, you will find a timeline and the courses. Under courses, you will have the course where in which you have enrolled. In your case, that will be physical pharmaceutics, which is in progress. Under timelines, once I give you different assignments which are time bound, that will be showcased here, which will help you to make you aware in the form of a alarm ki hanji, this particular assignment is pending from my side and I have to do that until this deadline or until this due date. This will help you in that way. In the next, calendar also, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਣੇ Google ਦੇ calendars ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, we generally use Google's calendars where we mark important dates, important points. You can also mark at your end, and you will be having some important instructions, important deadlines marked here by me too. Once I start with that time based activities where you will be given few hours or few days to complete a particular activities, that will be showcased here, so you can easily check. Private files, you can keep some files over here. It is not necessary for you. The next is my course. This is the course under which you have enrolled. So if you have completed your enrollment process, you must have been directed to this particular page. And if you click on Physical Pharmaceutics 1 as your enroll course, this is the page which you will be directed to. Here, why I'm telling you all this, to make you just aware कि what thing will, मतलब क्या चीज़ आप कहाँ ढूंढ सकते हो और कहाँ आपको वो चीज़ मिलेगी, where I expect you to navigate once I instruct you कि you will find this particular resource here, you will find this particular resource here. Okay, so here also on your left hand side you will find different tabs. You will see various participants of the course, badges. If after completion of some activities I give you some badge, that will be showcased over here. Competencies, your commitment to the course will be shown over here. Grades, after you complete some activity which I have assigned to you, I will grade that activity and that grade will be showcased over here. Some of you might have wondered ki why I have selected this platform for our online courses when we can easily do it with our Google Meet app and WhatsApp. Rajat, ki hunda hai when I deliver, I have shared that earlier too, when I deliver some content to you, after some time you feel that yaar, nobody is looking at me, nobody is seeing my commitment to my course. So I can do that next week agar tu thodi bahut commitment hai to the course. If you are less committed than the previous person, you will think ke yaar की पता हजे कदों की होना है, then it's not required that I should follow this lecture immediately and I should complete that assignment, that work immediately. त्याची problem कदों आएगी when if we are starting the course online, be prepared that इस बार अगर टेस्ट नहीं हो सके साडे ऑनलाइन, आफ्टर 6 months universities will say that you have done your course online, you can give online test too. So we must be prepared कि हाँ जी अगर साडे online test अगर after 6 months if the worst situation prevails and we are not able to open up, ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ at least we must be prepared कि साडा subject साडा topic fully prepared है, and you can take our test in any way you want, whether it is MCQ, whether it is subjective, and we can give that test. So please keep in mind कि अगर online classes हो रही हैं, that means your subject is getting covered. You have to go through it. I know that with time you lose interest into the course. I want you all to have your interest in the course intact. Here, I can share, I could have shared everything, every course content, my presentation, my videos on WhatsApp too. I've created a YouTube channel. I can have used that only too, but I will be using this particular platform to do everything, not only to share the content, but to make you participate in a range of activities which I will be planning from day one. You will be aware that I've already planned 3 activities for you, and you have to do that to start with. So to make you aware of this particular page, once you enter the course, on the left hand side you will find after grades the journal structure of your course, in which agar kisi ne syllabus dekhya hove, you must be aware that we are having 5 modules, and these are the 5 titles which we are having in that particular module. So I have created different folders are, you have a better idea, different folders में create करते हैं उस particular मॉड्यूल रिगार्डिंग कोई भी कोर्स कंटेंट होएगा, कोई भी एक्टिविटी होएगी, कोई भी इवैल्यूएशन होएगी, दैट इवैल्यूएशन, दैट एक्टिविटी और एनी डिस्कशन रिलेटेड टू दैट कोर्स दैट विल बी held in that particular folder. Apart from these 5 folders, we are having a journal folder. I have knowingly created this journal folder, and I will be using this journal folder to have journal discussions with you. If you have any query related to, not related to this course, but any journal query which you want to share with me, for which you want any answer, you will find a forum here where you can post that query. It is very similar to what we have in our chats. Just like chat, you can put your query over here, and I'm there to help you, and I will definitely answer your query there itself. So to start with, if you have a look, you will find that in journal folder there are few activities over here, but in other folders they are still closed. I will be putting activities here and resources here once we start with the chapters. So by Thursday you expect that I will add few things in the first module, that is solubility of drugs, and I will be starting with this particular module. So coming here, I just want to make you aware how these activities look and how you will be doing that. The first activity definitely is it's a very general activity, introduce yourself. If you click on that, I have written students are requested to give a brief introduction in 2 to 3 lines. I'm very willing to know my students. Rajay, don't think कि किस तरह दी मैं English लिख रहा हूँ, how I am writing, what I am writing. Just write 2-3 lines in this so that I can be aware that what my students are, what's the name of my student, from where he or she is. I just want you to be aware that yes, somebody is looking over there to have a better look of my students. I'm waiting to find your entries over here. Raje, एक गल और ध्यान रखनी है, whatever activity I have put in over here, I have assigned some marks to it. I'm not assessing how well you perform in that activity for the time being. First month in which I will not assess, keep in mind how you perform in that activity, but I will give more than 90% weightage to whether you have participated or not. If you have not participated, I will think that you are not following what I am telling you. चाहे 2 लाइन्स ही लिखनी है रजे अपने बारे, but still I want you to write something over here so that I can bring you all on this particular platform. And I'm sure, believe me, you all will enjoy learning on this particular platform. Second platform which you will find is the announcement. Here I will be sharing different announcements related to the course here. जर्नल अनाउंसमेंट कोर्स के साथ जो आएंगी, आपको फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी करनी है. एंड रिमेंबर, एज यू कंप्लीट दिस एक्टिविटी, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर बॉक्स. A message will automatically be sent to me that this particular student have completed this particular work. The second activity which I have planned here is a pre-course survey. Here, once you click on that, answer on the question. I have put in some very preliminary question over here. What's the state of your mind when you logged into the Moodle website created for content delivery? Whatever you find, whatever you think, just click on that. How do you rate your prior knowledge of the subject? What is your prior knowledge of your physical pharmaceutics? I'm not asking how much you know about solubility of drug or state of matter, but I'm just asking whether you have some preliminary or basic knowledge about what physical pharmaceutics is, whether you know what things are included in physical pharmaceutics. Third, I will welcome your suggestions over here, and I will very eagerly look up to what you have typed over here. What are your expectations from me as a teacher for your physical pharmaceutics, especially when we are talking about the online class? What you expect from us? Just write your answer here, submit your answer. The first month, I'm not evaluating your performance. I'm just looking at you, looking at your activities as you can tell as your commitment to my course, as your involvement to my course. I will just be evaluating that thing. After 1 month, we will have time-based, restricted time-based. We will have grade-based activities. But till that, ये जो रेटिंग होगी, ये भी आपके फाइनल ग्रेड्स में ज़रूर इंक्लूड होगी. एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू परफॉर्म ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज़, एंड आई थिंक दैट विल बी अ बेटर वे ऑफ लर्निंग. अगर हम बात करें कि मेरिट्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन लर्निंग, दैट विल डेफिनेटली बी बेटर देन द फिजिकल classes, physical tests, physical evaluations which we are having. So apart from this, I will be adding one more poll over here. It will be like a poll where you will be given 3-4 options. सिंपल उस ऑप्शन में से एक सेलेक्ट करना है. दैट पोल विल बी फॉर कि यू आर attending your classes and browsing my website on what device, your physical your personal phone, your personal laptop, or you are sharing that phone or laptop with somebody else. ये कुछ preliminary information है राजे जो मैं collect करना चाहती हूँ to that will help me in better designing of my courses and better designing of the time which I will be giving to you from time to time. Okay, again and again requesting if you have any suggestion, and that suggestion has to be constructive, Rajay, so that we can improve our all outlook of our online classes and better learning. Okay, that means we are done here, so we will meet on Friday. Thank you so much.